name is Alex the Tiger King. Did you know that tigers are the largest wild cats in the world? That's amazing! Tigers are carnivores. That means they really like meat. Tigers are also really good swimmers. A tiger's walk can be heard from 3 kilometers away. Tigers can reach up to 65 kilometers an hour. Now, do you want to see a real tiger? Here's my tiger. He's different color. As you can see, he is white. He has brown eyes. He has a long nose. Look at how big this thing is. It's not the same as a tiger, but this is a tiger. I'm proving ya. Nothing else, a tiger.